Welcome to Moments with Lisa, and I'm Lisa. Hi! And today I am in my kitchen. I am about to start dinner for my family. I am going to cook stuffed peppers with ground turkey, dirty rice, and garlic bread on the side. Now, when you cook your meals, you cook your meals the way you like it. Because when I cook my meal, I'm going to cook my meal the way I like it. I don't even cook my meal the way that my family likes it. I cook my meal the way that Lisa likes it. Okay? Alright, so I have my peppers, my ground turkey, my rice, I have my cheese. I have some garlic bread because I'm going to have garlic bread on the side. I have some peppers with onions, Dollar Tree. I have my seasonings. I have a pan. And I have some pasta sauce. So the first thing I'm going to do is start prepping my food before I put it in the oven. So make sure you preheat your oven so once your food is all prepped up, you can just put it in the oven. Now, for my peppers, I'm going to cut the tops off of them. Do not throw those tops away. Save them. I'm going to cut the tops off on my peppers, and I'm going to put them on the stove for a minute till they get tender. Because if I do not pre-cook my peppers, what's going to happen when I put it in the oven? It's still going to be too hard. Girl, when I want my food to be done. I don't have time to be playing. So I'm going to show you what I do. I'm about to cook my ground turkey. And I'm about to cook my rice. So I'm going to get all this stuff taken care of. And I'll let you take a look and see what I'm doing. At this time, I am prepping my food. I have done the peppers. I cleaned the inside of them out and only cut it across the top. I have some water boiling. I'm going to put my peppers in here until they feel tender. My ground turkey is pretty much done. Matter of fact, I can take my turkey off. And when you season your food, season your food to your taste. Go this way. When you season your food to your taste. Because you have to eat it, so you might as well enjoy it. So my food is pretty much prepped. Like I said, my rice is already done. And this box make about 1 cup of rice. So I'm going to finish prepping my food. I'm going to put my peppers in here. And I'm going to come back so you can see how everything looks. While my peppers are boiling in the hot water so they can get tender, I am going to put pasta sauce into my ground turkey meat. And I think I'm going to add a little sugar to it. Just a little sugar. Okay, maybe a lot. No, I'm not. Just a little sugar. So right now I am prepping my meal. As you can see, I have already added my pasta sauce into my ground turkey. I add a little bit more season to it after I taste it, because you want to make sure your food, it tastes good to you. So when I'm cooking, I want my food to taste good to me. And my peppers are almost ready to come out. They are beginning to feel very tender, so I'm going to take them out the pan. I'm going to add my rice in here so you can see how I the next step. This is my rice. This is the dirty rice I cooked. And I'm going to add this into my pasta sauce in my ground beef mixture. My peppers are almost ready to come out. I really want them to be tender because I don't want to have to keep it in the oven that long. Because truthfully, it is hot. It's hot, people. It's hot. So I don't want to keep it in the oven that long. I just want to make sure, like, I pretty much melt the cheese on top. So I'm about to add my rice into my mixture over here. My peppers are now done, and I'm going to add the pasta, ground turkey, and rice mix inside the peppers. At the bottom of this pan, I put a little pasta sauce so that my peppers do not burn or stick. And I'm going to show you how they look once I fill them, because now it's time for me to fill those peppers. Okay, so I filled the peppers up, and this is the leftover rice mixture. And I'm just going to add cheese to all of this so you can see how it looks, and put it in the oven for about 15 minutes. I add a little pasta sauce on top so that it's not so dry. I have added the cheese. I am now going to put this in the oven until the cheese melts. My cheese has melted and my food is done. Look how pretty that looks. I am done fixing dinner for tonight for my family. We are having stuffed pepper, string beans, and garlic bread. And let me just show you how easily it cuts. Do you see how easily it cuts? Anyway, this is dinner for tonight. This is very, very delicious.